Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying accounts and hardware so voice can work. First, make sure your Roblox account is aged 13 or older and finish in-game phone verification. Roblox blocks voice until done. Once done, enable the PS5 microphone and party chat in Settings Sound Microphone so the system accepts input. Update both the PS5 system software and the Roblox app to their latest versions. Updates often add compatibility fixes. Doing these steps first prevents basic blocks and saves time later. Now configure permissions and test your gear to avoid surprises. On the PS5, open privacy settings and allow voice and communications with other players. Otherwise, Roblox voice will be blocked by the console. In Roblox settings, enable voice chat under privacy and confirm your verified phone is linked. This activates the in-game toggle. Test your headset microphone in PS5 accessories so you know input levels are good. If levels are low, increase mic boost or switch to a different headset before joining a game. Finally, join a Roblox experience that supports voice and accept any in-game prompts to join voice chat. You can mute and unmute quickly from the PS5 quick menu. Make sure game audio and chat volumes are balanced so you hear and speak clearly. If you still don't connect, restart the console and relaunch Roblox, since temporary network or permission glitches often clear. As a key troubleshooting tip, double-check your Roblox age and phone verification status. Voice stays disabled without them, so fixing verification usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.